Piran is a breathtaking, historic resort town located on a narrow peninsula in southwestern Slovenia, along the Adriatic Sea, often called the Pearl of the Slovenian coast. It is famous for its remarkably preserved medieval Venetian architecture, winding cobblestone alleys, and vibrant orange-tiled rooftops. Because it was ruled by the Republic of Venice for centuries, the town looks and feels like a mini, car-free version of Venice, without the intense crowds.
We came where the blue sea meets the sky, through little streets where old walls sigh, golden windows in the morning light.
Piran is glowing tonight.
The harbor whispers soft and slow,
while gentle waves come and go,
and
every step along the stone feels like a place we've always known.
Take my hand, don't let it go. There's nowhere else we need to know. With the Adriatic shining bright,
we could stay here all night.
Piran, my love, by the Adriatic Sea,
a little piece of heaven waiting for me.
Piran, my love, where the old streets shine
For one beautiful moment,
your
heart is mine.
Tartini Square begins to glow.
The evening breeze begins to flow.
Venetian colors, red and gold.
Stories in every stone they hold.
We watch the boats upon the bay,
Slowly disappearing with the day.
and as the sun begins to fall,
I wish this moment could last forever for us all.
take my hand, don't let it go. Let the evening move us slow. The sea is singing soft and low,
And there's nowhere else to go.
Piran, my love, by the Adriatic Sea,
A little piece of heaven waiting for me.
Piran, my love, where the old streets shine
For one beautiful moment, your heart is
antiquis, lux tenuis cadit, frater teneviam, in pace ambulamus, manus ad pectus, et oculi